Welcome to TeamGuru tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use our metrics feature enable units conversions. Now you have the option of selecting your unit of measure for your metric. And at the same time we are able to standardize data from your various units of measure for entire organization structure. Let's get started. Please click on the metric dashboards module on the left side. And from the drop-down menu, select metrics. Now in your search window, you can find a metric that you would like to modify, or you can always create a new metric with green plus button on the right side. Once you find the metric that you would like to change, please click on Edit Pencil button. And now we are ready to change our metric settings. Here you can see our Enable Units Conversion feature and options No, Yes. Once you select option Yes, then you have to choose units for measure, base unit and units displayed in chart axis. From the scroll down menu, there are many options to choose from. I will pick weight for this case. Base unit, as I mentioned before, it's the standardized unit for entire organization structure. And the same thing from scroll down menu, many options. And units displayed in chart axis, you can pick several different units how you would like to display it in chart axis. And once you are done, you can simply click on our Save and Return button in the right upper corner. Once you are done with your metric settings, please go to your dashboard. Metrics in your dashboards are displayed in base unit, as you can see here. However, you are able to change it to desired units following next steps. If you click the Edit Pencil button in the top right corner, you will see dashboard settings. Now scroll down and find your metric in the list of metrics. Here it is. And click on specific Edit Pencil right next to it. Here we have our unit drop-down menu. And here you can choose your units, how you would like to be displayed in your dashboard. So let's say we would like to be shown in pounds. Click on the Save button. Click on the Save and View button. And now in your dashboard, our metric is shown in pounds. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please let us know and contact us at support@teamguru.com.